Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup OneDrive folders tied to project plans, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the OneDrive website. Log in with your Microsoft account credentials. Locate the folders associated with your project plans. Select the folder you wish to backup. Right-click on the folder to open the context menu. Choose the download option to save the folder to your local device. Select a destination on your computer where you want to store the folder. Wait for the download to complete. Once the folder is downloaded, navigate to the location on your computer. Verify that all files have been successfully downloaded. If you have multiple folders, repeat the process for each folder. For added security, consider using an external hard drive for backup. Connect your external hard drive to your computer. Copy the downloaded folder from your local device to the external hard drive. Make sure the copy process finishes without interruption. Label your external hard drive appropriately for easy identification. Consider setting a reminder for regular backups of your OneDrive folders. Explore using backup software for automated backups in the future. Review your backup periodically to ensure all necessary files are included. Keep your OneDrive synchronized with your local backup for real-time updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.